Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Today is Monday, July 4th, 2022. On my way to an emergency service call, and I'm not happy. It's a Bosch IDS 2.0 3-ton system that we installed about 2 weeks ago. The brand new Bosch BCC 100 thermostat is blank, and it's got no coolant. No bueno. No bueno. So, running through some possibilities in my mind. And before we get the service call going, let me get your thoughts. What you think it is? We need C. We need C. We need power. If we have that, then we have a bad Bosch. Oh, BCC 100. So stay tuned, guys. You're not going to want to miss it. And maybe I'll even live stream my fireworks party tonight. 4th of July barbecue fireworks party. Over 200 people are going to be there. It's going to be like the epic pool party when we have 50,000 subscribers. So stay tuned. You did it. You open the door.
Look, my worst nightmare. Failure go.
Oh, don't, that's not cool.
No. That's not cool. Come on. You don't do that. Hey, stop flinging that around.
What's that?
Mike, we're not home today, so just look at it and you don't have to stick around, you know?
Maybe just the thermostat's bad.
Huh?
It may just be the thermostat is bad. All right. RC. Let's see. Nothing. 0.9. 0.9.
That one.
Yep.
Just this one that turns out the light.
It's okay. I don't need light. I'm good. What I do need is more sleep. See, I got the float switch wired to the condensate pump. So if it's not discharging water, no bueno. Let's see. Not discharging water.
See?
Let's plug that back in.
You taking a video?
Yep.
Why?
Why? Sharing is caring, young man. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. You know what's Barney? You don't know Barney? That stupid little blue, not blue, purple dinosaur? Good, don't start watching cartoons like that. Oh, you don't have any TVs in this house, do you? Oh, you have a TV. Let's go see where this is draining to. Let's see, there's the hose. Goes up there. I don't see where it goes though. Oh, it looks like it goes that way and goes out. Maybe, let's go look outside. And if you guys want any stickers, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. Let's see. Let's see if it discharges here. Yep. It looks like it's that right there. See that drain hose? This drain hose. That's my hose. Alright, I had a little piece of copper in there. Still nothing coming out of it. I'm gonna have to get my gallo gun and blow out this line. Oh, we had a little kink up there.
Should I go outside and say hi to you?
Not yet, not yet. Hold on, let me blow on this thing. Now we're good. Plug this back in. Okay. Put that back in there. Let's plug in our pump. Hopefully when it was running, it didn't burn it out. Let's see if it stops. The noise. You hear the noise? There's a pump in here. You know what a pump does? Yes?
Yeah.
Was it?
Let's see,
Oh, very smart. How old are you? You're 6 years old. Very smart. So it pumps away the water, right? So it's pumping the water outside through that hose right there. And see, it kinked up again. We're gonna have to do something about that. It's a little kink right there.
Let's take some sticky shower, shall I tell you why?
Why?
Because if we take a shower at each if we take a shower at the same time,
You run out of hot water?
yeah.
Yeah, no bueno. You don't want to run out of hot water. No bueno means no good in Spanish. Okay.
If river waters are like if river waters are on and we're taking a shower, what happens? The water doesn't work.
Yes.
We have to know if someone's taking a shower.
Who's that look like?
You?
Yeah, it's me. It's me, Mikey Pipes.
Who's that?
So can I tell you guys what was wrong?
Tell me. The fuse?
No. Stupidity.
Everything that's wrong with stupidity in this house.
It's probably my stupidity also. Tell me.
So, air conditioning creates condensation, right? The water that removes the humidity. And yours goes to a pump. Because it's not in an attic where it can drain outside, it's in the basement, so we have to pump it away.
Okay.
So the pump is wired in to kill the power to the thermostat should the pump stop pumping so you don't get water on the floor.
Okay.
Right?
Right. That's a safety feature.
Correct. So, I checked the thermostat when I got here. You had no power there.
Yeah.
Then I went downstairs. I immediately heard the pump running,
Right.
and it was filled with water. The hose that goes outside was kinked inside the ceiling, and I unkinked it. Now you're good. Now it's pumping away the water, and the air conditioning works.
So you think that's the water pressure problem also? No.
No, two totally different animals. I know you're a smart guy, but that was a stupid question.
I was praying.
The water pressure. What's wrong with the water pressure? It's
The
weak.
showers are crazy weak.
Well, this one we know is the aerator, but we don't know who makes this.
Our showers are.
The showers in here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you appreciate today's little short video. Sometimes it's the simple things that get you out of bed on a holiday morning. But nonetheless, deliver prompt, professional, reliable, and courteous service, and you'll always be rewarded handsomely. And stick around. I may even live stream my annual 4th of July barbecue and fireworks extravaganza. Usually have 150 to 200 people dying to get on my list for a party, because I throw an epic, me and my wife throw an epic 4th of July party. The only thing I'm lacking this year is a DJ, but stay tuned, you never know. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in this Monday, July 4th, 2022, Independence Day, celebrated in the United States. Really appreciate all the unconditional feedback and support from the community. Love all you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.